Stop letting payroll suck the soul out of your small business. It's time to conquer it with Xero. First, log into your Xero account and navigate to the payroll section. It's usually found in the main menu or under the accounting tab. Click on payroll to get started. Now, let's add your employees. Click on the Add Employee button. You'll be prompted to enter their personal details like name, address, contact information, and most importantly, their tax file number. Make sure you have all this information handy. Under the Employment tab, enter their start date, choose their employment basis, are they full-time, part-time, or casual, and select the appropriate payroll calendar. This determines how often they'll be paid. Next up, the Pay Template tab. This is where you set up their regular earnings. Enter their hourly rate or salary, choose the appropriate earnings rate, usually ordinary hours, and add any allowances or deductions they're entitled to, like superannuation or health insurance. Crucially, add their bank account details. Double-check these are absolutely correct to avoid any payment errors. Incorrect details will lead to delays and headaches for everyone involved. Now it's time to process a pay run. Go back to the main payroll screen and click on Add Pay Run. Select the pay period you're processing and the payment date. Xero will automatically populate the pay run with your employees and their standard earnings. Review the hours worked for each employee and adjust as needed. You can also add overtime, bonuses, or any other on-off payments here. Once you've reviewed everything and are happy with the calculations, click Approve Pay Run. Xero will then generate payslips for each employee and record the transaction. Now, let's pay your employees. Click on the Pay Employees tab. You can either make electronic payments directly from Xero if you've set up bank feeds, or generate an ABA file to upload to your bank. Finally, don't forget your reports. Xero offers a range of payroll reports, including payroll summaries, employee earnings reports, and superannuation reports. Use these to stay on top of your obligations and keep your business compliant. And that's it. You've successfully run payroll in Xero. If managing your business finances yourself feels empowering, give the video a like. If you're ready to master every aspect of Xero and small business management, hit subscribe for more tutorials. If the thought of skipping spreadsheet headaches and reclaiming your time resonates with you, leave a comment sharing your biggest payroll pain point. And if this tutorial made you smile and feel a little less stressed, give it a like.